Welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about this massive thing. It's a massive, rugged tablet from BlackView, the Active 10 Pro. 2 3/4 pounds of Android 14 tablet, and the little package here is the metal bracket that goes on the back. There we go. And that thing is metal. Now, unlike Samsung and Crapple, BlackView actually packs the box full of goodies. Aside from that cool bracket, there's the tablet. Like I said, 2 3/4 pounds. Thing's a beast. A little bit of paperwork, another bit of paperwork, a USB-A to USB-C adapter, a stylus with a very satisfying cap. Yeah, charges by USB. The obligatory SIM tray, SIM card remover. Nice long A to C cable. And it has a 30,000 milliamp hour battery, so it's going to take a while to charge it. So they give you this massive European style 55 watt fast charger. Luckily I have a lot of adapters. A very unsatisfying peel. So we're going to be testing this for a few weeks. We've actually already begun. That's the stuff. And so we'll have a nice long review about this thing coming up. The bracket, you don't have to put the bracket on. It's held on with 4 screws, and don't be an idiot like me and lose one of them, or tighten them down so you don't lose one of them. But the bracket's super sturdy. Just a little bit about the tablet itself. It has the Dimensity 7300 processor in it, 12 gigs of RAM, 2 terabyte SD card slot. I think I already said 30,000 milliamp hour battery, which is why this thing is nearly 3 pounds. With the 55 watt fast charging, 10 watt reversible charging. Front camera, the front camera is 50 megapixel, the rear camera is 108 megapixel, plus it has 20 megapixel night vision camera on the back, so it sees in the dark, supposedly. We'll see. That handle is super stiff. GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, all that good stuff. You know what the worst kind of so yeah, tune in a couple weeks. We'll have the full review video for you. Love yins. Bye.
But the ones who have become weary of pleasure.